Bite-sized German lessons by 11%.
Die Aufgabe. Task, exercise, or purpose. The task of this video is to teach you about the word die Aufgabe, which means, well, task. It can also mean exercise or purpose. If you're learning German, you will see this word quite often when you have to do some tasks or exercises for practicing purposes. So, stay tuned to learn more. Die Aufgabe. Die Aufgabe. Die Aufgabe. Die Aufgabe. Die Aufgabe is a feminine noun. And like a lot of feminine nouns, it is easy to find out its plural form. Just add the ending "n", so we get die Aufgaben. Like already mentioned, die Aufgabe means exercise, task, or sometimes even purpose. To make it clearer, let's see some sentences containing this word. Seine Aufgabe war es, die Blumen zu gießen. His task was to water the plants. Ich habe die Aufgabe erfolgreich erledigt. I have successfully completed the task. Das ist eine schwere Aufgabe. That is a difficult task. Ich beendete meine Arbeit und erhielt eine neue Aufgabe. I finished my work and was given a new task. Dieses Schulbuch hat viele nützliche Aufgaben. This textbook has many useful exercises. Der Lehrer gab seinen Schülern Aufgaben. The teacher gave his pupils exercises. Sie löste die Aufgabe genau wie es die Lehrerin erwartete. She solved the exercise precisely as the teacher expected. Die Aufgabe der Studie ist die Untersuchung der Wasserqualität. The purpose of the study is to research water quality. Today we learned about the feminine noun die Aufgabe, whose plural form is die Aufgaben. Die Aufgabe can mean a task, a purpose, or an exercise. And now it's time for a little exercise or Übung. Which translation is incorrect? Write your answers in the comments below and get the chance to win a free beginner German course. Hungry for more? Subscribe to the channel and set up a micro-learning habit. Or visit the website for more German learning adventures. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss!